Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tetsita Johnson, and today I want to show you a very quick and cute updo. You need a hair tie, some bobby pins and a small elastic. I also have my teasing brush and I smooth out my hair with it. So for the very beginning I make the back comb. This is the best brush for me to have the quite thick hair just neat and to tame flyaways. So make a low ponytail, then loosen the hair tie, pull it down, flip from, have a look, you make a hole, flip from under to the top and then from the top down, pull it tight. This is the first step. Then I'm taking the small hair tie and I'm adding this elastic at the end of my ponytail just to grab all the hairs together. Now I make another flip, same direction from the top down, and then I bring it up and I put the end of my ponytail with the elastic inside of the gap, lifting it up, and when I have this double shape up, I'm taking the bobby pins and I'm just attaching this kind of bun to my hair, to my scalp. So 2 bobby pins actually would have been enough. I added one more by the side because I did not like that it was sticking out. Grab part from the bun, from the side, and bring it together with the hair from the side. So you have 1 hair tie, 1 elastic and 4 bobby pins. That's all. This stays in perfectly the whole day. And then let us see how it looks from the front. Something that for me is important. You can attach the front a bit. I did not like this little bubble it made on the top, so I'm just attaching. Use some hairspray if you need. I didn't need. I had dirty hair and holds perfectly everything in place because I had from the day before some hair wax inside. That's it. Final result. Hope you like it and hope to see you back soon. Bye bye.